How to trade stars on Monopoly Go. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can trade stars on Monopoly Go. To trade stars on Monopoly Go, first of all, you need to open your Monopoly Go application on your mobile device, and in this page, you will see the album icon at the bottom right. You will see this icon only if you have reached cross level 15, otherwise you won't see this option. Once you have unlocked level 15, you will see this album icon at the bottom right. Once you see it, you need to tap on it and you will be able to see various stickers here. You will only be able to trade those stickers that you have duplicates of. You won't be able to trade it directly. Instead, you will need to send it to your friend, and if your friend have duplicates of any other stickers as you do, then they will need to send it to you. Only then you will be able to trade it. Also note that you will be able to trade it only for the 5 times a day. Here I don't have any duplicate stickers, so I am not able to proceed further. But if you have duplicate stickers, you will see the plus button and the number of duplicate stickers. You simply need to tap on it, and at the bottom you will see the option send to friend. Now you need to tap on that send to friend button and it will be sent to your friend. Also, if your friend have any other stickers that you are looking for, and if they happen to have some duplicate, then they will be able to send it to you. From that way you will be able to trade stars on Monopoly. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.